Good morning everybody. My name is Glenn Berkelev. I live in Bangkok, Thailand. Today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and check out this small vegan restaurant at On Nut area in Bangkok. It's a small 6 kilometer, 7 kilometer walk from here. It's the way I get in some exercise as well to make sure we stay healthy. But yeah, I'm gonna take you through the walk. Maybe we see some sights along the way. It's still early morning, so hopefully the sun won't be too hot right now, but it tends to get up really early. So why don't we see where we're going? So the walk I'm doing today is just along Sukhumvit Road. Not so trafficy yet. It's still a little bit too early for Bangkok. You tend to see homeless people or people sleeping on the streets. One, it's a humbling experience, and it's a strong reminder for every one of us who have everything that we could possibly want, and try and help out. If you see people in need, if you can give a little something. I'm in front of Benjasiri Park at Prompong BTS station. Unfortunately, due to the recent COVID increases or COVID spikes in Bangkok, all parks are closed, so no exercising in the park, unfortunately. Okay, we're almost there, but wifey wanted a quick pit stop for a drink, so we'll get one just under the bridge here. You can probably see it in my background. We decided not to do a pit stop there, but continue walking because we're like 500 meters away from the Nourish cafe. We made it to Sukhumvit 50, so this is where the Nourish restaurant is, or cafe, the vegan cafe. And you can also see here in the background you have Tesco Lotus, so convenient for those who live here for shopping purposes. But let's go check out the cafe and see if they want to feed us. We made it. Nourish cafe is right here behind me. So it was a 6.5 kilometer walk. It took us a little bit over an hour, and you might be wondering, why am I seeking out a vegan restaurant or a vegan cafe? And that is because as a Muslim in Bangkok, I am specifically looking for halal food, which is a little bit more difficult here because the population of Thailand, although it's very large, around 70 to 75 million people, it is estimated that only between 5 to 10% of the population are Muslim. Most of those are in areas in the southern parts of Thailand, which borders up to Malaysia. So in Bangkok might be even less. So always hunting for halal places, and vegans are by definition halal because there is no meat in it. So we'll go in and check it out here. So just ordered some food. I went with the traditional English breakfast. So I want to try a little bit of various different things. There's some tofu scrambled, some sausage, plant-based sausage obviously, and the missus went for a Sunday sandwich. So let's see when it arrives and how it is. Looking forward to tasting it. You can taste the chili. It's actually quite nice. Coffee also just arrived. sandwich Sundays. This is so good. A little bounty dessert. Thank you so much, Sammy. Have a good day. Thai iced tea, 20 baht. The best place to buy it is at the street stalls, and they make the best chai in Bangkok. Okay, late breakfast done, Thai tea done. Now heading back to the BTS station to go home. I had a long chat with the owner inside Nourish. She is British. Her name is Tammy, and doing some fantastic vegan food. So if you're ever in the area around En Nut, stop by. Highly recommended. The price for a full English breakfast, vegan style, and a Sunday sandwich, including a coffee, as well as a fruit smoothie and a bounty bar, was 420 baht. Stop by her, check out the food. Highly recommended.